Good morning from Eila. This morning we are up super early. We're heading to the Dead Sea, Jerusalem, and hopefully Bethlehem today. So it's a full day of exploring Israel. I'm really excited and we're waiting for the bus now, so let's head out there. We have arrived to the Dead Sea. So we're going to get changed now and then head to the lowest part on earth. So behind me here you've got the Dead Sea, and you can see how the Dead Sea is shrinking, and also they've got a lot of problems with sinkholes, so even a road has been closed due to this, and it's a lot of different factors. They don't get a lot of rainwater, which of course is another effect of the global warmings, and also due to the Dead Sea industries that are taking minerals from the Dead Sea. So a lot of different factors are contributing to the Dead Sea shrinking. So right now we're on our way to Jerusalem. We're going to hop on the bus again, and I'll meet you when we arrive there. We have arrived in Jerusalem and we are just entering the old city. There are a lot of military around, so you realize that it's a highly military dense place. And we have entered the Jaffa Gate and walking along Jaffa Road. This area has 4 different quarters: the Armenian quarter, the Muslim quarter, the Jewish quarter, and the Christian quarter, where all these people actually live. So people are, living here as well. It's not just where tourists come. And now we're heading to the Christian quarter. Stopped off for some lunch, a falafel in pita bread. It looks like this, very traditional Israeli food, and we're on a rooftop Golden City restaurant, which has a lovely view all over the old city of Jerusalem. All the buildings in Jerusalem are covered with limestone. And it's because in the Bible that they said that it was a city that was made of stone. So yeah, and they keep the tradition alive even today. So all of the Jerusalem buildings look the same. Amazing and lovely that all of these religions are living together and sharing this holy place, and living in harmony, even if there's been a lot of conflict and there's a lot of security here. I think that's what's the most amazing part about the old city of Jerusalem. There is one place that you should just do a tour. It's definitely in Jerusalem, because you get to know so much information, and there's a lot of things that I wouldn't have been able to know or to go to if I hadn't joined the tour. So that's a tip if you're coming. Dome of the Rock was closed right now, so we can't visit it, but we're heading now to the Western Wall. Behind me here you see the Western Wall, and it is divided by the Christian and the section and people come here to pray, especially it's their Jewish people's most holy place here in Jerusalem, so yeah, we're heading there now. Across the border to Palestine, and we are heading to the Church of Nativity. We have now entered the Church of Nativity, which is a church built on top of a cave where it said that Jesus was born. And there's a 2-hour-long queue to enter the cave, so we don't have time for that, but now we're in the church, which is built over the cave where it is said that Jesus was born. Left the Church of Nativity and we're walking back to the bus. I still can't really believe that we've actually been to Jerusalem and Bethlehem, like places that we've spoken about ever since we were little. And yeah, it's also like my grandfather, he was a priest, and honoring him to visit these places, it just feels that I'm so close to him. It's been amazing to come here and honor his memory. Yeah, now we're heading back to Israel in the left, and I'll see you next time.